Hi, I'm Jeff.
I'm Robert for E3Wise.
We were looking online, we came across an article from the prepperproject.com, and it was talking about the dirty little secrets from most solar generators. So what we decided to do was go through and address all of those so that you could see how the independent power provider was the solution for those. Now we're going to talk about the questions that you need to ask when you're looking and comparing solar generators. So what was the first one?
Okay, so what it says here was that all you really need to know about making an informed buying decision about a particular unit comes down to the answering of 5 simple questions, okay? Question 1 was, what's the maximum power output?
Okay, now on all of our units, what we tell people is what they're rated at is their continuous running power. So this unit is a 6,000. That means the continuous running power on it is 6,000 watts.
That's not a surge.
No,
That's
the
continuous
surge
power.
on our systems is a triple surge for a full 20 seconds, not 5 milliseconds. Surge is there so that when something big turns on, like your AC compressor or your refrigerator compressor or your water heater, it can take that surge of it turning on, turning off, and not shut down the generator.
That's right. Okay, so the number 2 was, how long will the unit run without sun? Which, that's a big question because, you know, it does get dark. I mean, it's inevitable.
One of the things that we did is we made sure that these units can recharge while they're running. And the reason for that is because we're trying to make it so that you have a full battery charge whenever the sun goes down. Now, the panels will recharge the system in 2 to 4 hours or an hour and a half to 2 hours off of the grid. If it is dark, this unit has over 19,000 watts. So you're able to go ahead and use the amount of energy that you need to go ahead and power. Usually at night, you're not going to use as much during the day, so the systems will usually run for anywhere from 8 to 12 hours.
Right. That gives you the ability to run your air conditioner at night or your gas furnace, the heater on the gas furnace, the blower. You know, which still takes 115 volts to run most blowers on these gas furnaces up north. So, okay, so we move on. What's the recharge output of the solar panels?
All right, now we use Made in America solar panels. The panels that we have here are 275 watt solar energy panels. On the 6,000, you get 6 of the panels. So on average, you're getting somewhere between 1,650 and 1,700 watts.
Right, and they also come on our proprietary solar cards with manual sun tracking.
Right. Now, the reason that's important is we give you these displays so that you can see exactly how much you're using and how much you're producing. What that means is if you look at what you're producing, it says, well, I'm supposed to be getting 1,600, 1,700 watts, and you're only getting 1,200. That tells you need to go outside,
Pull the pin.
pull the pin, takes 5 seconds, put the pin back in. Now you come back in and check, and you're getting that 1,600 to 1,700 watts. Once again, we're trying to be as transparent as possible to demystify all of this so that you're getting the most you can for your dollar.
Maximum power. Okay? So number 4 was, what's the purity of the AC output?
This is a huge deal. Most other solar generators use what's known as a modified sine wave inverter. Sorry,
a little brain.
Yeah, brain freeze.
I was supposed to pick up, I missed my line.
Modified sine wave inverter. Now,
We use pure sine wave inverter.
Now, why is modified bad?
Because anything with an electronic chip, even your microwave has an electronic chip in there. The sine waves that come, like in your gas generator, it's intermediate. It surges all the time. It comes in and out. You ever hear your generator, if you have the gas one, it goes high, low. It's because it's doing that surge, which can damage your sensitive electronics.
And on inverters, a modified sine wave inverter is going to fry anything with an electric chip in it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to end this video here, and we're going to go ahead and keep talking about the other issues in another video. So follow along with us on YouTube. I'm Jeff.
I'm Robert for E3Wise.